Hello and welcome to today's New York session trading live. I think we have 4 minutes to go. As always, I can remind you, please do not copy my trades. I'm not financial advisor. I am not a signal provider. I'm just trading my own money, my own risk, my own rules. Please do not copy my trades. So actually this is educational only. I just want to prove that even with smallest account available for funded account, you can make a living, and you can scale it up to higher just with some discipline, a little bit of experience, and that's it. My trading style is a little bit boring. I don't have that much like analysis, paralysis in my chart. It's just naked chart with volume. So if you are expecting, you know, ambience and a lot of thrill, a lot of adrenaline, rush, it's not here. If you want to learn, if you want to understand a little bit of trading psychology, most welcome. If you want to understand risk management, we'll be happy to have you here, but I'm just saying the raw truth. This is what we do, so no fancy stuff, just the chart and me. Okay, I will just tell you quickly about the afternoon session, the German session. Actually, I left a little bit early. I was not feeling really comfortable, and I had two trades. So the first one was a loser. I was expecting some price after this week to go lower, but did not go lower. It just went directly up, and I was wrong. I did not read the market really as I should. And the next one, I enter another sale here. It went my direction for almost 40 points, 38 points. But actually I did not take profit. Then the market just skyrocketed. Then after I finished the live, I was just looking at the chart to see what's really going on. Then I noticed that this, if you go to the 1 minute chart, it was really looking not like genuine breakout with this like consecutive green with no like pause here. So after I see this like stop here, and I see this candle was really pushing with no resistance. After it closes, immediately I enter a sale here, and it went all the way to my take profit, which is like 54 points. Then I stopped trading. I did not trade after that. Yeah, the market is on. Let's see what's going on in the US 30, Dow Jones, DJI, everybody calling it something. Doesn't matter. It's the industrial average index. So here today I'm actually thinking that it might be this all rally here. Looks like for me some pump and dump. I am not going to rush to trade right now. I will just wait. I need some setup to be like to see some weakness in here or some fake breakout, then some return to this zone, and maybe I will go half size after the price goes back here, and I will go another full size after breakout from this level, and I will maybe have some target somewhere over here. So this is the plan for today. Actually we are 81, which is like around 20% from the target. So let's just take it easy. We have enough time, plenty of time to trade. What's important is just to stay alive to trade another day. Let's go here to the 5 minute. We'll see what's exactly going on in that level. I think this is my friend who joined me for this session. Say hi. Most welcome. If you are not a subscriber, please subscribe so you can we can pop up into your YouTube time to time, so if you want to watch. So if you are new, we'll just tell you about this channel. I'm actually trading just price action with no really indicators. And I'm trading the opening of the Europe session, London, and trading the open of the US session. And the challenge is to take this 5,000 funded account and not flip it actually, but we will scale it up. With the profit of, let's say, 5,000, we will buy another like 10,000 funded account, and from 10,000 we will go to 25, 50, then 100,000 account. So this is the plan, but it's not overnight. It will take time and discipline, and I'm quite sure we will do it with really strict risk management. So join us in this journey. If you have any question, please feel free to type it. I will be more than happy to answer your questions, please. Okay, I can see the chat is on. So as we say, the plan here to trade today is to trade rejection from this top, and we will target this low. But if the price just stayed here and we see some, let's say, some buying power, we can just ride the trend. Even the price this week was like extended too much, so I'm expecting some pullback. You can even target like this high. I think this is the opening of the month. Yeah, this is the opening of the month. Maybe we can see some pullback there. The news was positive. It was less than expected. It was released like 1 hour ago. The reaction of the market was not really aggressive, but now we can see what's really the market will bring. So let's be patient and read the market correctly. No rush to enter any trade. Just adjust my size. Let me see how many points is this first candle. So the candle is 150 points. I'm going one contract first. Oh, a half contract, sorry. Then, as I said, we can add all the way down. See what's going on in this volume here. Okay. 100 pip or tick. And this is really good volume, but hopefully it will not just quickly dry. See how much will be my risk. 100 points, half, that's 50, it's too much. Actually, I'm seller today. I don't think I will buy it because, as I say, the market rallies since the beginning of the month with no break. This is actually just like Europe session and Asian. So, but always in the US session, it was like this rally here, chop here, and rally again. $250 points. So this is really look like they all take it all the way here to grab some liquidity. So if we see the weakness, the price did not manage to go above this level. I will keep here. So if the price keeps chopping here the next maybe 5 to 10 minutes, that will be a really good sell. Go to the 5 minute. Okay, 30 seconds for this 5 minute to close. I was thinking to open in this little small pullback. Let's go to smaller time frame to see. Here like a huge up and down, like another up. Miss the entry here. Okay. Some more buyers coming in, or you just see, let's be patient. We'll wait for the right moment. The majority of trading is waiting. You really don't need to be in all the time to make money, but you need, I think, to sit on your hands and just wait for a really good setup to enter the market. Second 5 minutes also close like full red. Let's watch this 5 minutes if we see if there is some buying power coming in, or it's just retesting this high and again continuation down. Yeah, I think today we have no viewers. Maybe it's busy because of the maybe midweek people are having things to do. Anyway, we are here and we will be here every day, so no rush. weak here. 120 points of weakness. You can't judge it before the full hour closes. Hello and welcome for the coming guest. Most welcome. So we are trading Dow Jones. We only trade the opening of the market. We don't stay for so long. As a day trader, I don't want to expose myself to the market much. So some they call it like a scalper, but there is really no definition for what is scalper, what is day trader. But swing trader, maybe you need to hold your positions for at least 3-4 days. For me, I hold it for maybe 15, 10, sometimes 5 minutes, depends. Okay, I think my setup is getting ready. Just have a look. So let's see the reaction from here. If it was only manipulation, the price goes up, grab the liquidity, goes down, grab it again, and will take maybe the direction up. If the price like shows some pressure here, some volume, then this will be confirmed like pump and dump, or pump, coil and dump, like I think Stacy Berg or some like scalper calling it. So let's see the reaction from this level. Get a little bit closer. Hopefully it will not be failing. This is really nice, beautiful setup. Let's monitor the time. We have here 30 seconds for the closing of this 5 minute, then we will know exactly. If we see some push here in these last few seconds, means there is continuation. If there is pull ups, like upside, means trend will just range here for some time. So now we can monitor the last 5 seconds and we will know who is coming in. Okay, I think it will still go back to the range here. Let's give it some time. This is not confirmation, it was like closing at the level. So what I need to see, this price will try to go up a little bit here, then fail and go down, I will enter short. So just be patient and just wait for the reaction from this level. So what I need to see right now is either this 5 minute candle will just stay here for so long and before the end of the 5 minute will reverse. That means buy. If it stays just here and try to reach some lower price than this candle, which is, let's say, 47,858, that will be good sell. I'm going just half contract, so, and I might add to my position all the way, but right now I don't want just to jump. Okay, we can see new low now. Price tag this price here. If it reverses immediately, that's very good buy signal. If it stays for some time here. If it traded under this, that's a sell signal. If it's traded above, like a little bit spike back here and traded above here, then that will be a really good buy in the next candle. So let's see, we have 2.5 minutes. We'll see if the price will try again this low here. I will enter sell in here. I will enter sell in 844. If the price did not manage to go back again here and this candle close with some like wick above this price here, which is 855, I will go long. And I will go long full like one contract because my risk will be very, very small. So let's wait for 2 more minutes. The next 2 minutes will tell me exactly what to expect. And I might be wrong, so nothing is like 100%. This is my reading of the market. Your reading might be different, and I might be wrong, but what matters is just my risk will be under control, and that's it. We'll check this trade, and the market will do whatever want to do. Okay, this is the last minute. Let's break it down to the 1 minute chart to see how it looks like. See here, price also did not tag this price here. This is another tag for the same level, and I can see some buyers coming in. Okay, we have, I think, 40 minutes, 40 seconds to go. I need right now a rejection. Price should not stay here more than like 5 seconds. Okay, now let's get ready. 10 seconds to go. I will just change my size to 2. I will tell you exactly what I'm going to do. Depend on these last 3 seconds. Okay, this is, I think, sell signal. Go ahead, don't go back here or I'm out. I'm really sorry, bro. I don't know if I can. Okay, I will just announce the prices. I will start announcing the prices. So you will, even you don't see exactly the details, then you can just hear where I'm talking and what prices I mean. So I entered at the close of this because this closing was really a good closing. So expecting the price to rally down. Let's give it some time. I'm going to close this position actually before the closing of the hour, because most often this like end of the year the price are like reversing at the end of the hour. Not the end, but like every 1 hour the price will just spike back, and so we have just maybe 10 minutes to the closing. Let's see how much we are now. 38. How much was profit on 15 on day? Okay, so keep going, keep going. Let's first pick this 50, put in our bag. Yeah, brother, you are also into the EA. That's good. I program a little bit of MQL. I already have my own program, which is available for in DC Trade, but it's installed in like cloud server. It's not the one you can use in your laptop or. So if you want, you can visit dctrade.com. That's my website for risk management enforcement. You can have a look and see how like I created the system that will stop you from self-sabotage if you are like blowing accounts and cannot control your emotions when you rage, when you lose. It might be helpful. So have a look in there and see how is it. And please subscribe if you are not. Most welcome if you have any questions about psychology. I don't really explain like let's say strategies, because I really don't have some special strategy. I just trade based on my feelings. I feel the market a little bit how it's behaved, and so if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. I feel bored now, like I have no trade, so I want to answer questions, talk to you. Please let me know. Hey, Parehi, bro, how are you? Nice to see you here. Yeah, it's okay. Actually, you missed the you missed the move, but it's okay. Later on, you can just reply and. Yeah, it's good. We are plus right now. I think the last trade was 48. And today, after I closed the live in the London session, actually, I saw a very beautiful like move, and I traded. I will show it to you. Let's go back to, yeah, this is the European session. I have actually a tool that I can show you much better. I don't know if I really know how to use it. It's a map, but I don't know where is it missing. It's very hard for me to find it right now. It's okay, so let's go back here. So I think he was with me when I took this like this losing trade and this break even, but I see this breakout and I break this to the 1 minute chart, and I see that this candle was like huge, like moving like just down with no stop, with no resistance. Then I enter exactly here, then I took profit here, then I call it the session. So this was another trade. Let me show you here what I have done. Let's go to the history. Yeah, so the first one we lose 47, second one is break even, and this one I got like 63 points. Right now we got 48. Yeah, this is 48 points, and this is 63 because yeah, I traded full contract. So that was it. So we are up for the day around 63. So I don't know how much in percentage that will be. Actually, I got a really nice move, and I am out with no damage. How many points I got in here? Like maybe 48 points should be. So that was today's trades. This move was really good, and as I told you always, you know, before the hour ends, there is always some like rejection, pullback, because this number is like this. You just need to, you know, take quick bites from here and there, and should not be caught in any trap. Control your risk and just you will make money. So this is the first trade we got a few points. So maybe how many minutes we are in the live now? 13 minutes. So 1 minute. I think we will wait for the new hour to to start, then we will see if we can see another opportunity so we can trade. If not, then tomorrow again, another day. It's only one trade, was good trade, and we are out. And here I was explaining, if for the people who just joined right now, after this run here, I saw this low, price tried to push back, failed again, did another like low here, then immediately went back. Then the next one was like a negative candle, so the decision was going to happen here. I said if the price did not reach this level again, I will go, like if price reach only here and bounce here, I will go long. But I saw that the price at the last like 3 seconds went down and stopped here. Then I just enter sell. I grab like 50 points, 48 points, then out. Then the price again bounced back. Now you can see like price is trying to push high again. So let's give it some time. We will just watch. We'll sit on our hands, no trades for some time, just to cool down, and we'll continue in case there is something to trade. But if there is none, if I couldn't see any really like nice setup to trade, I am going to just call it a day. Okay, 1 minute for the end of the hour. Let's see how this hour will close. If it closed like for a week and the price goes back again, price needs to run like 40 points, so for the bias to be changed to the upside. If the price just stuck here, actually this is like pump, coil and dump with really nice manipulation here. So I was thinking to get in early, but I don't know why I did not enter a little bit in a higher price. But doesn't matter, I already make some points in here, so I'm okay with that. Five seconds to go. Let's see what's so this is the inside bar. Price did not really manage to do any new low or to close in this week, so see if the price maybe will revisit this level and go down, will break above and bounce again and go up. Let's give it a time. We don't trade like with no vision, so let's wait and see. Par travels, I'm really sorry, I really need to look after this. You said in the mobile is not really looking good. I will try to open it in my mobile and see how is the resolution. Actually right now I'm watching in my phone. I think it's looking good, not really bad. If you zoom in a little bit, or you can change to HD. For me HD it looks really good. I can see the prices, I can see even the time from my phone. Just try to change the quality of the video. If you make it maybe HD, you will be able to see the prices. Sorry. trying to check percentage overall. How much are we? In 1 week, I think we are 25 to 30% from the going on the way to the target. Actually, if the price try to push a little bit here, I might enter a buy, and I will also just grab few points. I'm not going to go for much. Let's monitor this on a smaller time frame. We need to see the last push. I maybe enter somewhere here. The volume is steady. We don't see any spikes in the volume. So if the price goes back here, I might call it like a double bottom. Then we might go a buy. Let's see. It depends how the price is approaching this level. If the price is like aggressively going down with no resistance, that's probability the price will break out and go down. But if the price just goes down here and slowly like this, what it's doing right now, I think will be good buy opportunity. See where is the chart? Sorry, where are you, chat? Here. See the first 5 minutes. Let's look at how the first hour closed. Yeah, it's a huge. You really cannot trust. 15 points. It's good for me for risk. This is inside bar, then the other one inside bar, and the third one inside bar. I think there is no more follow-up to the downside. So let's just read the market properly and see 60 points up. Our stop loss is like 40 points down. This is if price action. I missed the entry here also because it was early. It was only in the first 5 minutes of the hour, so no rush. If we miss one, there is more to come. Really want to see the last push down, then they will give up, and the price, if it goes back here, I will go up. But we need the scenario to be executed, so the price should push down before it goes up. So one last push here, but should not reach the previous low, should not reach this level here. Should be only until here, then spike back. That will be a really good entry. Hi Groovy, I forgot, did you tell me what are you doing like in life? Are you still a student, or you are working, or half working, half like working student? So we need to know each other's. I wish my scenario will be executed here, so the price will go down. I work at HFT broker. Ah, yeah, sorry. I have really like fish memory. I have this problem. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, you told me. But I can, I admit my memory is really bad. That's why I'm writing down everything. Okay, I can see some really push down. I hope this will be the last so I can enter. Give me a chance. That's one manipulative push down here so I can go long. Yeah, so you are making some high frequency trading stuff to manipulate the orders. Really have no idea about what's exactly going, just what I have read and learned from just like random informations. I know it is like high frequency trading, but I think it was like it being illegal to use this high frequency trading to manipulate the price, like to create fake orders and keep pulling or like a magnet the price somewhere. But I will not know more than you. Okay, it's 10 minutes. I can see just nobody want to buy or nobody want to sell, and this is a signal, I think, that the price will continue down. But if the price went already down here, like, I will just really go in and see. Yeah, arbitrage. It's okay, bro. I don't want to know that. My system is very like basic. I just need two buttons here. I don't like, doesn't matter. Execution, yeah, should be a little bit fast. Like 196 millisecond. It's a little bit slow, but that's what I only have here. It doesn't matter. So here we can see like price is really just stuck in here. There is no up, no down. Look, 5 minutes, price was just stuck. So here we can know that if the price break down first, means to the upside. If the price goes up first, means we are going short. So that's how you play this kind of games. So now when this 10 minutes was like chopping, there was many traders coming in, sellers and buyers, and all the orders right now is here and here. So if there is more like buying orders in here, I think feels like manipulation. So the price will just like pick here and go up. So that will be my plan to enter in this level. We just put my hand on the trigger, just push under the first 5 minutes. And if I enter here, my risk will be really very like small, 16 points. So I will just put my stop here. Let's say I will give it 20 points. No problem. Just need a spike down here, and also price maybe goes back here. I will be in. One more push. I am in. Okay, let's just put our stop loss here. Let's wait. Let's take profit somewhere in this zone here. And we are okay. me have a look at your messages. So right now, I think the price should not stay here for so long because they already grabbed the stops in here if there is really some like manipulation. Because if it stayed here for so long, then more pressure of selling will come in and will push the price lower. So our setup will be failure. If the price managed to go back to this zone, then that's good signal. I can even add like half contract. Let's monitor this 5 minute. I think it's going toward our stop loss. Let me just remove this line right now. I don't need it. So 1 more minute to go for this 5-minute closing. I really need the price to close above this green candle in here. If the price closes there, that will be really like confirmation of our position. Then once this 1 minute, like first 15 minutes close, then I will move my stop loss to break even. I don't want to see any more push down, so I will just keep my stop loss here under these two. Okay, we are, I think, on the right side of the trade, but we cannot say anything before this 20 seconds ends. And we'll be a little bit patient. Look at the 15 minutes was bullish, but not very bullish. We just expect price maybe to go a little bit higher. So now I'm actually moving my stop loss to break even. We have nothing to lose. I always forget to see the messages. I don't know if we have some viewers still here. Let's go back to our 5 minute. This is what we are trading right now. We don't need to see any more pushes down. See one more push up. If the trend is actually going down, it should revisit this level and like hit our take profit. Then we are out. The market that time can go wherever he wants to go. Hopefully some big orders will come in just to push the price back to this level, breakout. And I think that's the overnight range. Hopefully we get some retest in there. Okay, that's nice push. That's perfect. I should not see any weakness now. I mean, just to see like breakthrough. Because if the price closes again back, then it's choppy chop. So as we said, I think let's call it today here. Thank you so much for the market, for giving us this easy points. So we are closing the day with $131. I'm not sure how many points because some position was like half. No, actually I traded all full positions today, so 131 points. Oh, that's good, look. I just closed it at the tail. Okay, did not take much effort. Right now, I don't care where the market will go. I will stay back for a few minutes. If you have any question, we can chit chat. I hope some people still with me here. Oh, thank you, Groby. Thank you for your sharing. Let's make it, where is the share thing? Yeah, like this. Told you have, you know, sophisticated setup. So, I think we are done for the day. We really don't need to catch every move. We catch just what we need, and we save our capital from any bad losses, then we are good. I'm still confused how you decide on the risk to take on each trade. Okay, so let me try to explain to you. So for the risk, for example, if you enter in the middle of, let's say, of this move, you should put your risk somewhere far from the noise, right? So I always try to enter a position with my risk, if I put stop loss, which is a good stop loss, to be away from the noise and not to lose too much. For example, when I enter here, the last position, I know for sure that if the price goes back here, I am out. So I risked only 13 points. But I know if the price reversed, we'll revisit this level. So I am going like for 80 points or 70 points, but risking only, some they call it risk-reward ratio, but you need first to know where to enter. So your trade will be correct. Because how to enter the trade is very important. You cannot just enter anywhere. As well, the risk you should be calculated based on the balance, on how much you have money in your account to trade. If I have, let's say, 5,000, let's say funded account, and my daily limit from the prop firm is 250, I don't want to risk it all. Because if I risk it all and I have a losing trade, the next day I will have only one more time to trade. But let's say I have 250 per day from the company, from the funding company. I need to divide it at least by 5. So I will risk, let's say, $50 per day, $60 per day, to keep playing at least for 5 days, for a week, which is 5 trading days. So if I miss 1 or 2 days, I will not be out of the game, you know? That's why you always just try to risk as much as you can, as less as you can, and don't think of like huge targets. Your target also should be like proper targets, and don't trade much, because more you expose yourself to the market will always win. As they say, like if you are playing the casino, the house always wins, you know. So it's the same with the stock market or with the trading. If you trade more, for sure at the end you will be like losing more. So always try just to have some really good entries, because the entries is very important for profitability. You just don't enter because you are bored. Don't enter because you say maybe I miss the move. There is, you know, hundreds of millions of moves if you go for like 5-minute chart. Since the market was created, was invented, there is millions of moves. So for sure there will be a move tomorrow, there will be a move next week, there will be a move next month. So the market is always moving. So don't feel like, I need to catch this move before it ends, or then I'm always catching the, the falling knife. So just be patient and always control risk. I told you, I think anybody can reach me like in direct message or by email. So we can just have a talk, like maybe audio call if you have like direct questions, so I can explain to you more. So that's it. And there is available like content about like risk management, how to. Everybody has his own, technicals. What some people they are using like percentage, some people they are using points, some people they are using some Fibonacci levels for like defining their risk. But with the time, with the experience, you will start to have your own style for risk management. And that's it. I wish I answered some of your like question. It's really hard. I need to talk to you for like 3 hours to explain to you in details, like more about how do you decide risk management. But it's not really complicated thing. Just you risk what you can afford to lose. For example, when you risk $40, you should know that, okay, once you click buy or sell, you already lost that $40. So it's like it's not yours anymore. And how do you feel about it? Is it okay for you to lose $40? If you are okay that you are going to lose it, then that time you can take that risk. But if you, before you trade, you think, okay, I'm going to risk $100, maybe it's painful for my budget, or okay, I will just take it, the risk, no problem. It depends how you feel about it, like how you tolerate risk, and how your account as well will tolerate the risk. Because if you have $200 or $300 account, you cannot risk $100 per trade or per day. So it depends. It has lots of metrics to exactly decide what is the risk you are going to take. So, and with the time, with studies, with reading, you will understand how to manipulate your risk properly. Any other questions, guys, before we leave? I always feel sad before I leave because I know that I have nothing else to do. I have nobody else to talk to. I only have maybe my dog to take for a walk and wait for the next day for the London session. Maybe check my emails. And maybe I need to do journaling as well for these trades. And we'll have some rest. Yeah, about family. Okay, that's another story. Another story. I have family, but like they are not talking about trading, If I talk to the family, they are talking about, expenses, about vacation, about travel, about, I don't know, life things. But when I'm talking to you about trading, which is I like. So that's why I feel like, well, I'm going to end the live, then I'm going back to have a normal life, not trading life. Okay, nice to see you here always, Groby, Borbix. Nice to see you here always. Thank you for joining me. And I will see you tomorrow again in London session. It's Friday. It's the hardest day of the week. We will try to be more careful. I am not sure if there is any high impact news tomorrow, but it doesn't matter. We don't trade the news. Yeah, that's a big challenge when none of your friends or your circle talk about trading. If you talk to them, you feel like boring, like they are talking about news, about, tsunami and earthquake and whatever. It's boring, topics. It's not like when you are talking about, trading and risk management and psychology. It's something much, much better. Yeah, it's look like niche if you are doing, you know, this e-commerce stuff. And it's very rare to find people who really understand. Maybe some, I have a friend, one only friend, he's right now in Australia. He just went there. He also in, like, he's investor. He was accountant and he's investor. So when I meet him, when he's back, like when I meet him, we are really having fun, just talking about investments, talking about, you know, business ideas. Then once he left, I'm just meeting nobody, just maybe spending the morning playing with my, you know, my dog, and that's it. I have nobody to talk about, you know, about the Fed, about interest rate, and so it's boring. Yeah, like guys, maybe it's time I will have break as well. I will maybe grab some coffee to refresh my brain, and I will go back here to the desk to write my journal in. And I will see you tomorrow. It's always pleasure to have you here. Thank you for joining me. I think we are going how many minutes right now in the, yeah, we already close 1 hour. Next time, Groby, don't come late. Always join on time. Thank you. Take care. Take care always. Goodbye.